shifter cable on a Ford Fusion. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is with this cable, it's usually connected down here. And you see where it runs along. So what I discovered is that you don't necessarily need to take off all of this stuff, but right along here, see this, the cable is right here, and you disconnect it from right here. Right now, the last and final part that you have to remember is taking off these two screws right here. See that? This is where the cable runs along. It's a straight cable. So once you take these two screws off, that's a rubber diaphragm, and it should have enough space to get out of there. Okay, so you have to take this center console out. It's only 3 screws along this line. If you have a really small 10 ratchet like this. So the reason why you have to, it's not completely out. It doesn't have to come completely out. It just has to be pulled back enough so that you can take this thing out. This is located right in here. So now you have access to the cable, but before you take it out, you have to lift these two up to get enough room to pull the cable out. So right here, as you can see, this part is here. That's where the cable is. So you can see the cable coming through, but you got to make sure that up in the front is a little bit clear. So down here, you got to make sure that it's pretty clear so this can go all the way through. See that? So you come back in the front and see how it's a little bit tough to get out. Only on this, like, you really have to like angle it along here. And if you had 2 people at once, then you'd be able to take it out a lot easier. But seeing as though my boss likes me to struggle, and that's alright because I get quite a few extra dividends for the Monday. And there you have the cable right there, and you just follow these same steps backwards